HP dv6000 running ChromeOs Flex. I'm gonna go over some of the issues. Maybe someone can show me how to fix it. I did find a workaround, but let's go ahead and boot it up. I was originally running Windows 10. It was super slow, could barely watch YouTube at 720, which is what this laptop's going to be mostly used for. All right, sorry about that. It was usually booting in about, let's just say 20 to 30 seconds. I'm not really sure. It was fast, but now it's taking over 5 minutes. I'm not sure why, but yeah. Let's go ahead and go. So, it has a built-in, I guess, just YouTube, which YouTube on Windows 10 would not even play at 720. It would like buffer and buffer and buffer. We will just play whatever. I believe I have it set to 720. Now it can play 1080, but this is not a 1080 screen. Turn this down. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, we're at 720. I will put it on 1080 just so you can see it does play. But I mean, there's no point. And look at it loading. That's crazy. It was not doing this on Windows. We can go full screen. This is a T7100 CPU. Core 2 Duo. We'll exit this. Close that out. But yeah, it works perfect. Now let me just show you the issue I'm having with this. So that there's a Wi-Fi switch that these older HP laptops have, and if the computer goes to sleep, it will not reconnect to the Wi-Fi for some reason at all. You can restart the computer over and over. Yeah, so power off the switch here, then you come over here, toggle the Wi-Fi off, and come back over here, power the switch back on, and toggle the switch back on, and that's how you get the Wi-Fi to work again. But other than that, everything seems to be working perfect. Even the webcam even connects. Actually, I don't know how to do new meeting, start instant meeting. There it goes. Webcam is on. And there it goes. Up and running. So yeah. Let me see if we can do a reboot. See if it's, I don't know, it was bugging out, taking forever to reboot. Let's see if I can show you. Oh, I'll definitely be able to show you this. If it doesn't boot in like the 20 seconds, I'll just fast forward. So here it goes. I'm at work, don't mind all the stuff. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, cool. So, you can time it, but for some reason, I don't know, it took like 5 minutes to pass 2 restarts. There we go, up and running. That's my name. Don't stalk me, please. So there, see the light is orange. We have no Wi-Fi. No Wi-Fi, it's just gonna sit here and search and search and search. So see, it's saying it's trying to connect, but it will not connect. So you have to go in here, cut this off, cut the switch off, cut the switch on, cut this back on, and then it'll connect. Okay, we'll try it again. Cut this off. Maybe I have to cut this on first, then cut this on. Oh, off. Well, that doesn't seem to be working again. So, oh, that's right. I'm sorry. That's not how you fix that. You have to, I'll probably just cut that part out. You actually have to shut the computer off. And have the switch off when you power it back up. Well, hopefully it boots fast again and not take forever. Let's see. So, let's see how long it takes. We're 10 seconds in. There it goes, yeah. So, yeah, exactly 20 seconds. All right, so now we'll go ahead and log in. And we'll come here, cut this off, cut the switch on, cut this back on, and there we go. See, it's on. Wi-Fi is connecting. There it goes, connected. If you do not have the switch off when you reboot the system, you won't be able to get Wi-Fi. But if you do it that way, it works. Not sure why, but yeah. We'll go ahead and just go to yeah, definitely the fastest this computer's been in a long time. But so if anyone knows anything, like, it's not supposed to be flashing like that, but it's flashing, it's working, so I don't know. If you know any fixes to fix that, maybe upgrade the Wi-Fi card, which I'm not gonna do because I'm not putting any money in this. It does have an upgraded SSD and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Other than that, let me know what you think.